Hi guys, my name's Rhiannon and I'm going to teach you how to build an easy and engaging promotional campaign using Loyalzoo. So let's get started.
First things first, we need to make this promotion pop. So we are going to start in Canva to make an engaging marketing image. Canva is a free tool that provides beautiful marketing templates. So head to canva.com and this is where we are going to create our promotional image. I'm going to be using an Instagram sales template as it has perfect sizing and a promotional feel to it. So all I'm doing here is changing the text to match the message that I want to deliver to my customers. You don't have to be a marketing expert, all you have to do is get the message across to your customers quickly and tell them what they need to do. So my promotion is going to be double points this Friday and on all shoe sales. This will be nice and clear to my customers. You can add your own images and I would highly encourage you to be creative and share some images of your own products or services in your promotions. Once we are done, we are just going to tap the download button and save this as a PNG file. Now let's head over to the Loyalzoo dashboard. Select the marketing tab and choose promotions. It's nice and easy from here, just fill in the subject line. Make this a very quick message telling the customer exactly what they need to know, as this is going to be the first thing they see. Make it short, sharp, precise, and engaging. Now the description is where you are going to put any extra relevant content, including your image. If you have specific colors that match your brand, try to use them here and in your image. Again, keep it short, but tell them all the essential details, like when this promotion is running and what's in it for them. Now it's time to add our image by tapping on the Add Image icon and finding our downloaded file that we created previously in Canva. We also want to select a send date and a valid date. I'm sending my promotion today, so my customers will come in and use the promotion tomorrow. Once we are happy with the preview, we can see how many customers will receive it and by which communication channel. We'll go ahead and click send. For those customers who have the Loyalzoo app, they will get a push notification where they can explore the promotion further in the app. And for those customers who have registered only with their phone number or email, they will receive it via SMS or email. Now it's time to turn on the double points feature. All you have to do is head to the double points tab and schedule it for the time you are running the promotion. So for my promotion, it's running tomorrow and my opening hours are between 9 AM and 6 PM. Now that's complete, any points given to customers tomorrow will be automatically doubled. It's best to let staff members know about the details of your promotion. They'll also see any available promotions in the customer's profile which are redeemable. Any redeemed promotions will be displayed in the customer's profile, and you can always head back into your promotions dashboard to see how successful your promotion was. And that's it, so let's get marketing.